Have you ever wondered how some ancient structures are so impressive that they seem to defy logic and the technology of their time? From massive pyramids to temples carved into solid rock, many of these constructions challenge even modern engineering standards. It's fascinating to think that thousands of years ago, people without access to today's machines or computers could create such grand structures that continue to astonish us. How did they do it? What secrets did they possess? Today, we're taking a trip back in time to uncover the mysteries behind some of history's most intriguing engineering feats and explore how these seemingly impossible constructions were made. The Great Pyramids of Giza, a puzzle in the desert. Let's begin with the Great Pyramids of Giza in Egypt, arguably one of the most iconic and mysterious human-made structures in the world. Built over 4,500 years ago, these massive monuments are composed of millions of limestone and granite blocks, each weighing several tons. Imagine the challenge of transporting these enormous stones without the help of cranes, trucks, or any modern machinery. The Great Pyramid, built for Pharaoh Khufu, was the tallest structure in the world for over 3,800 years, standing at an original height of about 146.6 meters, 481 feet. How did the ancient Egyptians accomplish such a monumental task? One popular theory suggests that they used a system of ramps and sledges. Workers might have dragged the stones on sledges over wooden tracks or dampened the sand in front of the sledges to reduce friction. Another theory posits that they might have utilized a complex arrangement of counterweights and levers to lift the stones into place. But the mysteries don't stop there. The precise alignment of the pyramids with the cardinal points, north, south, east, and west, demonstrates a profound knowledge of astronomy. Moreover, the Great Pyramid's internal layout, with its maze of corridors and chambers, including the perfectly aligned King's Chamber, suggests an advanced understanding of engineering and architecture. All these factors make the construction of the pyramids one of the most intriguing enigmas of the ancient world. Stonehenge, the enigmatic stone circle. Next, we journey to England, where the mysterious stone circle of Stonehenge stands on the Salisbury Plain. Stonehenge, estimated to have been constructed between 3000 and 2000 BCE, consists of massive standing stones, some weighing up to 25 tons. What makes Stonehenge so fascinating is not just the size of these stones, but the fact that they were transported from quarries located over 200 kilometers away in Wales. How did ancient people move these massive stones across such great distances without the use of modern transportation? One theory suggests that the builders used sledges and rollers made from logs to transport the stones. Another theory proposes that they moved the stones using waterways during the wet season. But the mystery deepens when we consider the purpose of Stonehenge. The site appears to have been a sort of astronomical observatory, as it is aligned with the summer and winter solstices. Some researchers believe it was used for ceremonial or religious purposes, while others think it could have served as a burial ground. The exact methods of construction and the true purpose of Stonehenge continue to baffle scientists, archaeologists, and engineers alike, making it one of the most studied and debated sites in the world. The Nazca Lines, giant drawings in the desert. Traveling to South America, we find the Nazca Lines, one of the most puzzling archaeological mysteries of all time. These massive geoglyphs, located in the Nazca Desert of Peru, were created by the Nazca culture between 500 BCE and 500 CE. The lines form over 300 different figures, ranging from simple geometric shapes to complex zoomorphic designs such as a monkey, a spider, and a hummingbird. What makes these lines so mysterious is their scale and precision. Some of the lines stretch for miles, and the figures are so large that they can only be fully appreciated from the air. Yet the Nazca people didn't have flying technology. How did they manage to create such large and accurate designs? One theory is that the Nazca used simple tools and surveying techniques, like ropes and stakes, to plot out the figures on a smaller scale before enlarging them. But why were they made? Some scholars suggest that the lines were created as part of a religious ritual to be seen by gods in the sky, while others believe they might have served as an astronomical calendar or a guide to underground water sources. The true purpose of the Nazca Lines remains unknown, and they continue to be a source of fascination and speculation for researchers and tourists from around the world. Petra, the city carved from rock. Next, we move to Jordan, where Petra, a city literally carved out of the cliffs, stands as a testament to the ingenuity of ancient engineering. Known as the Rose City, due to the color of the rock from which it was hewn, Petra was built over 2,000 years ago by the Nabateans, a nomadic Arab people who turned it into a flourishing capital of trade. The most iconic structure in Petra is Al-Khazna, or the Treasury, which is carved into a sandstone cliff face. This grand facade, with its intricate carvings and towering columns, was all meticulously chiseled by hand, an astonishing feat considering the basic tools available at the time. But Petra's marvels extend beyond its architectural beauty. The Nabateans were also master hydraulic engineers. They built an extensive water management system that included dams, cisterns, and aqueducts to control and store water, ensuring a steady supply even in the harsh desert environment. This allowed Petra to thrive as a bustling metropolis despite its location in one of the driest regions on Earth. How the Nabateans achieved such architectural and engineering feats with the limited technology of their time remains one of the many mysteries that Petra holds. The Kailasa Temple, a subterranean marvel. Our final stop takes us to India, where the Kailasa Temple in Ellora showcases one of the most extraordinary feats of rock-cut architecture in the world. Built in the 8th century by the Rashtrakuta king Krishna I, this temple is remarkable not just for its intricate carvings, but for the method by which it was constructed. Unlike other temples that were built from the ground up, the Kailasa Temple was carved directly into a mountain from the top down. This means the builders started at the top of the rock and worked their way downward, removing thousands of tons of rock in the process. The temple is adorned with intricate carvings, massive pillars, and statues of deities, animals, and mythical creatures. The sheer size and detail of the temple, along with the fact that it was carved out of a single rock, make it one of the most astounding examples of ancient engineering. The precision with which the temple was constructed, including its alignment and the symmetry of its design, would be a challenge even with today's advanced technology. The question remains, how did the builders accomplish this with the limited tools and resources available to them in the 8th century? The Kailasa Temple stands as a testament to the extraordinary skill and creativity of its creators, and it continues to draw admiration and wonder from around the world. These incredible constructions not only challenge our understanding of ancient engineering, but also inspire us to marvel at the genius and creativity of our ancestors. Despite the lack of modern tools and technology, they were able to achieve amazing things, leaving behind legacies that continue to captivate and puzzle us today. Each of these structures raises questions that may never be fully answered. As we continue to explore and study these wonders, we not only delve into the mysteries of the past, but also push the boundaries of what we believe to be possible. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Fact Fusion, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.